Hello! So, ito yung first time na itatry ko itong Nutribullet. Ito yung regular extractor blades. And, ang gagawin ko lang ay sunflower seed milk. So, this is just 1 cup of sunflower and sunflower seeds and 2 cups of water. Then, adjust ko na lang later. Depende. Kasi first time ko rin gumawa ng sunflower seed milk. Depende kung ano yung lasa niya. So, adjust ko na lang later yung flavor with some salt or maybe vanilla extract. So, may caution dito. Then, itatapat natin doon. May tatlong merong ganito. Hindi ko lang tawag dito. Pero may nakaumbok na ganyan. So, itatapat lang siya. May tatlo din. So, tatapat lang natin. Then, ipupush natin. So, yun. That's pulse. Kung gusto mo lang i-pulse, so push lang. So, medyo 2 pulse pa lang. Parang ang dami na niyang na-crush. Pero parang umaamoy siya. Anyway, first time ko tayo try. Let's see. Then, kung gusto natin na mas matagal, i-push mo. So again, kung gusto mo siyang mas matagal para hands-free, ipupush mo siya pababa. Then, i-move mo, clockwise. So, yun. Medyo na pulverize na niya. Ilang seconds pa lang yan. Okay, so that's like 10 seconds. Umaamoy siya actually, so I'll check with them kung tama ba na umamoy agad yung motor. But this is the first time I'm trying this one. So another 10 seconds probably. By the way, isa sa precautions nila is maximum of 1 minute lang na tuloy-tuloy. Then ipahinga mo ng 2 minutes para hindi, kasi sobrang lakas, 700 watts to eh. So sobrang malakas yung motor niya. So, let's do another 10 seconds. Medyo malakas siya. Sana hindi marinig ng kapitbahay. Dati hindi ko ginawa ng gabi. Okay, let's try. Let's see. Okay. So, it's very, sobrang, mukhang hindi na kailangan i-strain. Let's try. So, wala siyang lasa. I think, kailangan ko siyang dagdagan ng water. Wala po. Then, I'll add maybe vanilla extract and salt. Okay, so, dinagdagan ko lang ng 1 teaspoon ng vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and dinagdagan ko ng 1 cup of water. So, ang ratio na is 1:3. Okay, let's do this again. So, yan. Kailangan lang sobrang secure. Okay, so let's pulse this again. 1 pulse. I don't think kailangan ko ng mas matagal. Okay, so mga around 5 seconds lang yun. And let's see kung mas okay na. Sobrang wala na akong manguya na. Wala na akong nakukuha kahit anong seed or grains. Hindi na siya grainy kanina. So, I think mga 5 seconds, enough na siya. Ito siya. So, mas konting labnaw na. Better. So, tama na yung labnaw niya. Kasi kanina sobrang lapot. So, yan. That's, so, ito, pwede ko siyang i-keep. May takip nga pala siya. Wait, I'll just cut it. So, ang kagandahan nito, may takip. So, pwede mo na itong itago diretso na hindi mo na kailangan ng isa pang lalagyan. So, it saves time then, washing, cleaning. So, it's very convenient. I like it. Except na umamoy siya kanina. So, i-observe ko kung aamoy siya ulit. Parang amoy motor. Alam mo yun, parang sunog ng konti. But maybe kasi first time ko gamitin. Anyway, I'll try it again on walnuts. Try ko naman yung milling blade. So this is the regular extractor blade for smoothies. And ito tinry ko siya sa sunflower seeds. Yung sunflower seeds, mas maliit siya. Maybe with almond milk, I saw a technique na i-mill mo na. Gamitin mo na yung milling blade din dito to make almond milk. I'll try that next time. Okay, so up next would be the ground walnuts.